The NectaCol Pegboard Display Stand Black offers a tall, freestanding metal pegboard surface that is ideal for showcasing merchandise or organizing tools in a compact footprint. Its two separate pegboard panels can be used individually or joined into one taller board, giving flexible height options for different spaces and display needs. The frame is built from thick iron with a solid T-shaped base, so the stand feels stable and can support relatively heavy items like housewares, sports gear, or clothing without wobbling. Smooth rolling wheels on the base make it easy to reposition the stand for trade shows, pop-up events, or shop floor rearrangements without heavy lifting. Assembly is straightforward, relying mainly on a few screws, and the panels can be taken apart just as easily for flat storage when the stand is not in use. The package includes a complete standing pegboard unit in a clean black finish, plus a starter set of hooks, so you can begin hanging keychains, jewelry, or other small products right away.